Here we are in section 3-3, exercises numbers 19 and 20. We're going to take 2 points on a line, 4, 7, and -1, 2. Write the equation of the line. Now, notice that's the first part of it. Write the equation of the line, and then find the y value when y is 9. So finding the y value when x equals 9, that's going to be the second part of this problem. So the first part, we're going to take these 2 points, and here we have the no-think method of writing an equation of line. So we need m first. So we get m equals 7 minus a minus 2, that's y minus y, over x minus x, that's 4 minus 1. So we get 7 minus a minus 2 is 9, over 4 minus 1 is 3. The slope is 3. So now when we write the equation of the line, we get y minus a y value, 7, equals slope, which is m3, x minus 4. All right, let's simplify that guy. 3x minus 12, and then add the 7 over here. So y is by itself, and so that'll be y equals 3x minus 5. And notice we've now completed that first thing. We've written the equation of the line. We should also note that if we would have stuck 1 in for 7 and -2 in for 1 in for 4 and -2 in for 7 right there, we would have ended up with the same slope-intercept form of the line. Now we go on to the second part. Find y when x is 9. So we stick this in. Y equals 3 times 9 minus 5. Notice we're finding 9 comma something right now. So we stick 9 in for x. Y equals 27 minus 5. That's y equals 22. 922. And we should note that right here, yeah, I ought to put a star by that. You have found all power. You started with just a little bit of information. You didn't know very much, just 2 points. Now we have all power. We could find when x is 7, when x is 19, when x is 37 pi over the square root of 11. We could find anything we want, and they asked us to find when x was 9. Excellent, 922. Okay, let's do the next one, number 20. The number of lung transplants in year 2 after they were possible was 113. In year 12 after they were possible, there were 248. Using the points 2, 113, right? Year 2, 113 transplants. Year 12, 248. Find the equation of the line. That's going to be the first step again. And predict how many there were performed in year 16. So I'm going to underline that in a different thing because there are 2 parts, distinct parts of this problem. So we're going to take this guy. Again, we're going to use y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. That's the no-think method of writing an equation of line, but we need the slope first. So slope equals y 113 minus 248 over x minus x. 113 minus 248 over 2 minus 12, we get 113, that looks like 135 negative, over 2 minus 12 is a -10. The 2 negatives cancel, and we could reduce that down to a fraction, 27 halves, or you can see it's going to be a 13.5. Either way would be fine. Now let's put that into the equation. So we get y minus, let's go ahead and use this one. That one's a good one to use. Y minus 113 equals the slope, 13.5, times x minus 2. All right, let's simplify this guy. Jump that guy in. We get 13.5x minus, that is 27, and then add 113 over. So we get y by itself. So it simplifies down to y equals 13.5x, and that looks like plus 86. Cool, that is the first part of it. We have now found the equation of the line. Notice we have just gone from having just a couple of points of data to now we know everything about the line. We can predict anything we want because we have the equation. Let's go ahead and do that. Now we're going to do this and say, okay, so how many do we need in year 16? That means we're going to find 16 comma what? So we stick that in. Y equals 13.5 times 16 plus 86. 216 plus 86 equals 302. So in year 16, our prediction is that 302 lung transplants were made. Excellent.